So the game plan right now is to go to Capital March 3rd or March 10th. So the game plan right now is to go to Capital March 3rd. First of all, shout out to all my YouTube subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to us on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe now. This year we're going to have way more vlogs of car races, win or lose, and just car shows in general. If you want a Daddy's Toy Racing shirt, Pontiac on the front, with the Daddy Toy symbol on the back, let me know. The smaller sizes come about $20. The bigger sizes about $25. Just let me know on my dad's Facebook or hit me up on YouTube or Instagram. People want to know why we didn't really race last year. And the honest reason to that is we gave our motor to this guy to freshen up. He kept our motor for maybe 8 months. It was the craziest thing ever. But anyway, now it's lit. We just took our motor up to Nesbitt. We got that freshened up. And last year we competed in maybe 2 bracket races. And out of those 2 bracket races, we went to the 3rd or 4th round on one of them. And the second one we won at the Larry T bracket race. Got the fresh Nesbitt 396, 87 pump gas, you know. So it's Friday the 30th. And tomorrow gonna be our first day going to the track. We were supposed to go today, but it looked like it's about to rain and we just gonna cool it for tomorrow. So today I'm gonna kick it with my homie, the one and only. Come here, buddy. Why are you showing off? Come here. You don't want to hang out no more, bud? Alright. Alright. So I'm bored. Chapo sleep. My fiance sleep. I ain't got nothing to do. So I'm about to see how many times I can do 225. I haven't done this in a while. But here we go. And then you want to go, Chapo?
Puts in the work so you can work it.
So, the journal can assure almost any driver?
We sure can.
No, I wasn't sure about the journal.
Well, we provided low-cost auto insurance for more than 50 years.
Hey, that's not old.
Monthly payments are low. With immediate online proof of insurance.
Get your anonymous online quote, no payments. I read the journal.
For a great low rate you can get online, go to the general with time.
Alright. 12 times. No warm up, no spot. Probably could have did 14, but hey, I'm bored. Also, shout out my fiance for this fresh, brand new, I think it's the 6, the GoPro with the suction cup. This thing definitely will be on the race car tomorrow. Shouts to her. So we got an old school 63 Lemans station wagon, my grandfather's car, that we gonna make into a low rider. So most of the time I just be sitting here looking at low rider videos majority of the day. So it's Saturday, about to head to the track. So I'm gonna keep my camera on and hopefully we catch a Mustang or a Challenger, a Charger, a V8 or something. And I show them what this Chevy horsepower do, bro. Unfortunately, we got no action and we're almost at the track, so yeah. Daddy's toy hoodies. Shout out my man Rodney right here. He was the cameraman holding it down. Hold on, wait, where my man at? Follow my man on the gram. First day out, 4th round, have fun, stay safe. Gang.